Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming which Outlook you use because menus differ. Sign into the account and ensure you have permission to change language. Once ready, open File, then Options on Desktop Outlook, or click the gear icon for Settings on Outlook. You do this first because language choices live in Options or Account Settings. Make sure the app is updated so language packs appear. Now that Settings is open, proceed to the Language or Regional Settings area to choose English. Now navigate into Language or Regional Settings. In German, these are Sprach or Regionaleinstellungen, so look for those labels. Select the specific English variant you prefer. For consistency, pick English United States or English United Kingdom. If Desktop Outlook prompts to download a language pack, accept and allow the installer to run. Web changes apply immediately. Apply or save the change, because unsaved selections won't take effect. Once the language is chosen, finalize by restarting Outlook or your browser so the English UI loads. Once done, scan the ribbon, menus, and message compose windows to confirm text and date formats switch to English. Make sure spell-check language also updated. If some items remain in German, clear Outlook cache or browser cache, sign out and back in, and reselect the language. As a last step, reinstall the language pack or contact IT if group policies prevent changes. This solves most stubborn cases without losing mail or settings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.